Hello, Mark here. I trust you're well. For well over a decade now, I've been helping other photographers understand the ecosystem of Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, sprinkled with Photoshop and photography skills. And I do this by hosting online events. I'd like to tell you what's coming up. Well, on Monday the 8th of June 2026, 7 p.m. UK time, we're going to look at a narrative that we have looked at before, but we're going to delve in more deeper. And that is smartphone camera apps. What app to use, or what app I use for what situation. And whilst when I was in Malta and we looked at this narrative, we briefly went through some of the apps. Well, this time we're going to drill down on 2 or 3 of the apps in our time together and actually show you all the functionality and how it works with Lightroom and syncing back to Classic. Now, for Tuesday the 9th of June 2026, the narrative for our Classic time together is what's new in version 15.3.1. And if we have a little time left over, well, I'm also going to show you what's new in Camera Raw 18.3.2. So now what's happening on Wednesday the 10th of June 2026? Well, that's our editing evening together, and we're going to look at Photoshop workspaces. You can totally customize how Photoshop appears to you, whether that's colors or what tools are available to you. So we're going to look at workspaces. Thursday the 11th of June 2026, it's Lightroom, specifically Lightroom Desktop, and what's new in version 9.3.2. So that's what's happening for Monday, or week starting Monday the 8th of June 2026. Now, if you'd like to come to any of these events, just visit lightroommark.com/events. Links in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. And I look forward to welcoming you one day to one of our support sessions or skills sessions for Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, Photoshop, sprinkled with photography. Happy editing.